In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can improve the graphics and resolution here on your PS5. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want the best visual quality, sharper images, and smoother looking gameplay, a few simple settings can make a huge difference. But from your PS5 home menu, go ahead and go to the top right, and what you're going to do is select this little settings gear to open up your settings and scroll down until you see the option specifically for save data and game app settings. Open this up and go into your game presets down towards the middle of the left hand sidebar, and in this section you're going to want to set your preset to resolution mode rather than game default or performance. So go ahead and set it on this, and this is going to tell supported games to prioritize higher resolution and visual quality instead of performance. From here, go back to the main settings page, and what you're going to want to do is scroll up and go to screen and video. Open this up, and from here, choose video output. And in this section, what you're going to want to do to get the sharpest image possible is actually manually set your PS5's resolution. So scroll down, and you're going to see the resolution tab right here. Go ahead and select it. And honestly, automatic works fine usually, but you can manually set it to whatever the highest your TV or monitor supports. So if your monitor or TV supports, 2160p for 4K displays, go ahead and set it to that, or keep it on, 1440p. It really is up to you. Just make sure that your TV or monitor does support the resolution you're selecting and that you are using that high quality HDMI cable for the best results. Whenever these settings are applied though, your game should look sharper, more detailed, and visually improved. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.